Hey y'all, stay tuned till the end of the video for subscriber mail. Hey y'all, I'm Azalea. You're watching another episode of this Ole Shack here on my YouTube channel. 1929 Fixer Upper we bought for cash. For really real, we're on the home stretch. We got to put in heating and cooling, a little bit of drywall, and fix a couple of electric things. Now that's the big stuff before final inspection and we move ourselves into this house. But there's a lot of little stuff on my to-do list that needs to get done. For example, today I need to caulk around in my bathroom. Before I get started caulking, I'm just going to use one of these wipes and wipe around all the areas that I'm going to be caulking because dust settles, you know. And then I'm going to make sure it's dried off. It should dry in like a couple seconds, and then I'm going to get to caulking. Some packs of caulk, all you do is cut the tip off and then start pumping. It comes right out. Sometimes you got to take a long old pointy nail and poke it down through the tip after you cut the tip off because there's another seal on the inside and you got to pop that seal. This one, you just cut the tip off. You're good to go. Now, I take a little tiny piece of toilet paper to just kind of mush it down smooth. Yep. Another day here, another day with your tired old pregnant house fixer. So y'all know that we got an estimate for some mini splits in here with the financing for $6,000. I just had another heat and cooling man come over this morning because I always get more than one estimate, right? Always, always, always. He said $7,000 was his rough ballpark. But he said there was no way to get the electric to the mini splits. He was going to have to leave all the wires exposed. He was going to have to do somewhere. He had all this in his head that he was like, we can't do this way. And, you know, the mini split systems are a little more of a popular thing more recently. And this guy was older and, you know, a long-standing reputable business. So I just don't think he maybe has as much experience with the mini splits. And I think this other company was not going to try and tear my ceilings out or leave all the wires exposed. So that's another pro on that $6,000 quote. All that just goes to what I try to preach is that you got to, it varies and varies and varies from company to company to company. Some can get in and really do it slick and get it done. Some are going to take 8 years to get it done, but get it done good. Some don't have no idea what they're doing. Some are going to charge them way more. Some are going to charge less. Developing relationships with workers, that's a whole big part of this. Anyway, feeling rough this morning, but I made it out here for this meeting, and I took the meeting, and I learned that first deal is looking better and better. All right, what I got here is Weatherseal tape. So this is what I'm going to repair windows with. New windows are just too expensive for us to mess with right now. And a lot of our windows have the storm windows and the glass windows. So we're actually not in that bad a shape. Like, instead of just glass out to the elements, those storm windows really do make a difference, that double layer of glass. Anyway, I'm gonna tell y'all, this does look like a bullet hole in this window, and it very well might be, but we're gonna seal it up with some tape. All right, so there's the crack. There's the maybe bullet hole, probably bullet hole. But yeah, I'm gonna seal her up. I could have done a lot cleaner job with that, but it'll hold the window together and keep the weather out. So this is the window on the other side of the room. So I've got a hole here, but the two storm windows on the outer layer are totally intact. The upper pane's totally intact. I am just going to use that weather tape on this hole. Basically, just keep children from sticking their little hands out there. People who lived here before had something taped there, but hopefully this old Weatherseal will be even better. So there's my first piece, and I'm just gonna keep sticking it to the outside, and then I'll stick it to the inside. So that's what that looks like, and now I'm gonna go through and seal on the corner. Got a hole here in the bathroom window. I'm gonna put like decals, Klingons. I'm gonna do this like frosted glass in here, so you ain't even gonna see the tape repair. Bathroom, I'm wearing my glasses. I went to touch my glasses, they're not here. The bathroom is one of those that has fully intact storm windows, and then we're missing one of the window panes, and then there's a hole in the upper window pane. So I want to fill the hole in the upper window pane, and just like until we get it repaired, I'm just gonna put the like decal sheet that's gonna frost this so people don't look at us showering, just on the storm window. So, good Lord, it's time for subscriber mail. Golly. It's looking rough. I'm looking rough. Oh, Lord. Let's see what we got in the mailbox. Okay, so I have cut the tape. This is a lovely surprise here. Y'all, it's a toilet bowl cleaner. Y'all, this was on my wish list. Where is my card? I don't have one. Someone got me the toilet bowl cleaner that was on my wish list because it's clean and fresh and wonderful. I'm gonna clean my toilet bowl with that. I'll tell y'all the honest truth. I have been, is this it? No, that's not it. Well, who sent me this? I got my toilet bowl cleaner, and I got the second shower curtain because it's gonna wrap around in a whole circle, so I needed two. So I have two on my wish list, and someone else picked it up. Who? Oh my goodness. Well, whoever you are, I'm thankful. I am happy. I'm gonna bust out this toilet cleaner. I mean, this is a perfect kind of house warming thing. This is gonna sound terrible, but I have not had a toilet brush in years and years and years. I just like reach in the toilet with paper towels or toilet paper. But I thought it might be time for me to move on up in the world. And here we go. Well, let me see if I can figure out who sent this. All right, y'all. I played detective and went over on my Amazon account. And this is from Pamela. Pamela, thank you. Thank you. Y'all will definitely be seeing this in future Clean With Me videos. And, I mean, the shower curtain, too, because it's going up in the bathroom. And I still got a few things to do in the bathroom. Get her ready for us to move in. So, yes, thank you so much. Thank you to all of y'all for supporting me on this journey as I become progressively more and more and more of a hot mess. This first trimester of pregnancy while trying to finish up a fixer-upper, oh, it's a doozy. I feel sick right now. I need to go eat a little snack or I'm going to get very nauseous. I love y'all. I'm going to be in my second trimester soon and I'm going to move into this house soon. Lord willing, all of that will come to be and I'll be out of this hot mess phase. Knock on wood. Bye, y'all.